Welcome to our channel. I'm glad to be part of our 5 facts. Hello, fellow nature enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel for an extraordinary adventure pelican perfection. Today, we're diving into the world of pelicans, those majestic birds that grace our coastal waters with their elegance and exhibit remarkable fishing techniques. Fact number 1. Let's begin our journey by exploring why pelicans are the epitome of grace and precision when it comes to fishing. With their long beaks and iconic throat pouches, they are truly nature's skilled fishermen. Witness their incredible fishing prowess that leaves us in awe. Fact number 2. Take to the skies with these master aviators. We will observe their elegant flight patterns as they glide effortlessly above the water, scouting for schools of fish to feast upon. Their soaring maneuvers showcase the grace and beauty of these seabirds. Fact number 3. Get ready to witness the art of diving in slow motion. Pelicans exhibit astonishing precision as they plunge into the water from heights with incredible accuracy. Their well-coordinated dives allow them to catch fish with breathtaking skill. Fact number 4. Let's demystify the fascinating purpose of their pouches. Learn how their expandable throat pouches can hold gallons of water, enabling them to scoop up multiple fish in a single gulp. It's a true engineering marvel of nature. Fact number 5. Pelicans are true team players. Watch as they engage in cooperative fishing, herding schools of fish into shallow waters using clever strategies. Witnessing their collective efforts is a testament to the power of teamwork in the animal kingdom. Fact number 6. Peek into the nurturing side of these seabirds. We will observe their family life and see how devoted pelican parents care for their fluffy chicks, providing them with food, warmth, and protection. There you have it, fellow nature enthusiasts. Pelicans are true masters of the coastal waters, showcasing grace, precision, and remarkable fishing skills. What a wave! Hub. We hope you enjoyed unraveling the fascinating facts of these graceful fishermen with us. If you found pelican perfection as captivating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring wildlife adventures. Share the magic of pelicans with fellow nature lovers, and let's celebrate the beauty and grace of these captivating seabirds together. Party Popper Eagle. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure into the realm of pelicans. May their elegance and skilled fishing techniques continue to inspire awe and appreciation for the wonders of wildlife. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot to me.